Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to Beginning 3D. Let's start with some great news. Working creatively with 3D is not about your choice of software. Whatever your creative interests, from designing for 3D printing, to creating 3D video games, or photoreal architectural visualizations, it's fine to start with simple, free 3D software. In this series, we'll get you started with simple 3D workflows you can then build on. We're going to use a loose theme of working with and creating objects that can go on to be incorporated in a retro cafe scene. First, we need to get tooled up. In this series, we're going to use Tinkercad, which is completely free and runs in your browser. Head here and create yourself a free account so you're ready to go. Next, we'll use Kenney Shape, which costs less than $5 and lets you trace a simple 2D image and extrude it to make a simple 3D object. The software even includes a few retro items which you can change or work with as is. Thirdly, we'll use Unity to start assembling a very simple 3D scene using the objects we've already created with Tinkercad and Kenney Shape. Unity is completely free until you start making money from it. Set yourself up a free Unity account and download the latest LTS version of the software. LTS stands for long-term support, so you won't suddenly hit unexpected issues. Finally, if you're working on a laptop, it's highly recommended you get yourself a mouse. Basic 3D software will work okay with a laptop trackpad, but as you start using Unity and go on to more complex software, using a mouse becomes essential. Our explainers this month will assume you're using a mouse. That's it, we're ready to go. See you in the next explainer where we'll introduce Tinkercad.
Pixels.cool.